Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Heritage Glen LTZ travel trailers and fifth wheels. Heritage Glen is a premium RV line with excellent construction and top-of-the-line features. The travel trailers will vary in length from around 33 foot to 39 foot and weigh approximately 6,200 to 8,500 pounds. The fifth wheels range from 34 to 43.5 foot in length and weigh approximately 8,500 to 11,600 pounds. All Heritage Glen LTZ models utilize aluminum frame, vacuum-bonded construction sidewalls with a gel coat fiberglass for a beautiful and durable exterior. They also have a full wraparound front cap, which you don't see on many travel trailers today. This cap not only adds insulation value, but also helps prevent water penetration on the front of the unit. Heritage Glen LTZ fifth wheels are full profile and have at least 6 foot 5 inch standing height, so you don't have to bend over in the bedroom. The Heritage Glen LTZ lineup has 16 total models, 8 travel trailers, and 8 fifth wheel floor plans. Let's start with the travel trailer floor plans. There's an even split of bunk models and couples models. If you like a rear corner bunk setup, then the 309 BOK is what you're looking for. This unit has stacked double bunks, dual entrance with one into the bathroom, a U-shaped dinette, and trifold sofa directly across from the entertainment center with fireplace. If you so choose, you can also opt in an outside kitchen on this floor plan. If you'd like the kids to have their own separate room, then you'll want to look at the 300BH, 314BUD, and 322BH. The 300BH is a triple bunk model with a sofa in the bunk room and dual opposing slides in the main living area, allowing for a kitchen island. This floor plan also has an optional outside kitchen. The 314BUD is a bath and a half bunkhouse model with 2 fixed bunks, a sofa, and trundle bed, providing essentially 4 sleeping spaces. This model also has dual entry with one into the bathroom and a super slide with U-dinette and trifold sofa. Like the other 2 bunkhouse models before it, this unit also has an outside kitchen option. The last of the travel trailer bunk models is the 322BH. This is a true 2-bath unit with a bunk, sofa, and trundle bed in the bunk room. The main living area features a super slide with a trifold sofa directly across from the entertainment center and fireplace. Let's move to travel trailer couples model floor plans. The 283RK is the only rear kitchen available in the lineup. It features massive countertop space and a pantry in the kitchen. You also have a super slide with dinette and trifold sofa, and across the way are 2 chairs. This model can also have an optional outside kitchen, which is somewhat uncommon in rear kitchen layouts. There are 3 rear living floor plans, the 269RL, 273RL, and 326RL. The 269RL is the shortest of the Heritage Glen LTZ travel trailers, coming in at just over 33 feet. This floor plan features 2 chairs in the back, underneath a large rear picture window, and a super slide with a dinette and trifold sofa. The 273RL has dual opposing slides in the main living area, allowing for an island in the kitchen. Theater seating across from the entertainment center with a fireplace and a rear sofa are also in this floor plan. You can also have an optional outside kitchen if you so choose. The 326RL has dual opposing slides in the living area with theater seating directly across from a trifold sofa with the entertainment center and fireplace on the rear wall. This layout features an L-shaped peninsula kitchen and a slide-out king bed. That wraps up the travel trailers. Let's move on to the fifth wheels. Just like the travel trailers, there's an even split of bunk models and couples model floor plans. It is also worth noting that all the fifth wheel layouts have slide-out king beds. Up first is the 295BH, which is a rear corner bunk model with a large storage area over the entertainment center and a campsite kitchen. The 356QB is a true 2-bath model with 4 beds in the bunkhouse. The rear bath has a rear entrance for easy access. This floor plan also has an optional exterior kitchen. The next 2 bunk models are both mid-bunk units with kitchen islands, theater seating across from the TV, rear sofa, and outside kitchen options. The 369BL has the kitchen on the off-door side, whereas the 370BL has the kitchen on the camp side, and storage options change a little bit in each one as well. That covers the family models. Let's switch to couples models, starting with the 286RL. This layout features a kitchen island, trifold sofa across from the freestanding dinette, and 2 chairs in the back, all packed into a 34-foot floor plan. The 338 bar, or BAR, features a ton of kitchen space thanks to the kitchen island, midship range, and bar area or prep space in between the pantry and fridge. It also has a rear trifold sofa, and directly across from the entertainment center is theater seating and a freestanding dinette. If you're looking for more of a front living room setup, then the 378 FL is right up your alley. Not only does this have the classic front living space with double trifold sofas and theater seating across from the entertainment center, but this unit also has a loft with 2 beds above the master bedroom. So if you have any guests over, you have plenty of sleeping space, and if you don't, then you have some great extra storage. If you love the front living layout but want more exterior storage and campsite space, then check out the 372RD. This rear den has an elevated rear living space with tons of storage outside. This also eliminates the front campside slide out, giving you more usable camp space. Now that we've covered the floor plans available, let's talk about some of the features on the Heritage Glen LTZ series. For starters, they're all built on Dexter axles with aluminum wheels for excellent towability and great looking wheels for years to come. 30-inch entry doors are also standard, so it's easier to load and unload your RV, and there are backers built into the rear wall if you would like a ladder installed, so you can easily climb onto the fully walkable roof. Larger 15,000 BTU AC units are standard in the Heritage Glen LTZ travel trailers, as well as the fifth wheels. Fifth wheels also have a second AC prep with 50 amp service and washer and dryer prep too. As soon as you step inside, your eye is immediately drawn to the kitchen, thanks to the elegant solid surface countertops, high-rise pull-down faucet, and undermount sink, plus a gorgeous gray subway tile backsplash. The refrigerator is a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt Everchill unit that is perfect for boondocking. If you so choose, however, you can opt for a residential refrigerator in the fifth wheel units if you plan to primarily camp where you have shore power. The Heritage Glen LTZ lineup is diverse in its floor plans, offering something for just about everyone. Add to that the top-of-the-line amenities that come standard, and it's easy to see why so many people love their Heritage Glen.